If you're a student of Andhra Pradesh, then this scholarship is for you. If not, then watch my previous videos where I have explained about the other scholarship opportunities. Hello everyone, today I bring an exciting news for the students aspiring for the higher education in Andhra Pradesh. The Jagananna Vidya Diven scheme by Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy, is here to support the students for their academic dreams. Let's dive into the details to know about this incredible opportunity. The Jagananna Vidya Divena scheme is a visionary initiative by Government of Andhra Pradesh, is dedicated in easing the financial burden on economically disadvantaged students. Under the leadership of Chief Minister Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy, this scheme aims to provide a direct financial assistance to deserving students, ensuring that lack of finance doesn't hinder their pursuit of higher education. Under this scheme, degree and engineering students will receive 20,000 per year towards hostel and tuition fees, and polytechnic students will receive 15,000, ITI students will receive 10,000, and other degree and PG students will receive 20,000 per year. Students residing in welfare hostel will exempted with a mess charges, providing additional financial relief. Not only this, we have multiple active scholarships on our portal, the Global Scholarship, link in description box. Wait. Not only scholarship, we even provide information about the internship opportunities on our portal. Check right now. Keep all these documents handy before applying for this scholarship. Aadhaar card, residential proof, college admission certificate, admission fees receipts, bank account details, income certificate, BPL or EWS certificate, parents occupational certificate, and non-taxpayer certificate. Guys, hit the like button. It motivates us to create more videos on scholarship and internship. For quick updates, you can follow us on Instagram. Now to apply for this scholarship, hit the link mentioned in the description box and you'll be redirected to the application form. As this is an offline mode application, download the application, then start filling the details like applicant's name as per the SSC board. Then you need to fill out SSC hall ticket number, type of pass like whether you have passed in a regular mode or supplementary, year of passing, name of the student, then Aadhaar number of the student, father name, mother name and guardian name along with their Aadhaar card number, occupation and mobile number. The relationship with the guardian you have to mention. Name of the spouse in case you are married, then Aadhaar number and occupation and mobile number of the same. Gender you need to specify, nationality and the religion, and the caste you need to enter like you belong to SC, ST, BC, Brahmin, Arya or many more. Subcaste you have to mention for the same. Then you need to enter your present address of the student along with district or municipality, village, habitation, street, door number, pin code, village, etc. Then you need to provide a valid mobile number and email ID for the further communication. Then attach a passport size photograph. Next details you need to give about students' college admission details like the name of the previous course you have studied, pass with a percentage or CGPA in the previous course, name of the present college, college admission number, course or the group, year of study, section, admission category, whether you are in a management, sports quota or minority quota, give the detail of the same, date of the admission, then CET details if you have attended, name of the CET, hall ticket number, year of passing. Then you need to provide some special categories if possible if you have, that is ex-serviceman category, NCC category, sports, NSS, anything it is there, then you need to provide. And if you are physically challenged, provide the detail yes or no. The next you need to provide about the family annual income details. Is your annual family income is more than 2.5 lakhs rupees? Select option yes or no. Is there anyone in your family that who is working for the government or the pensioner? Select the option yes or no. Is any family member in your family is paid income tax in past? Select the option yes or no. Did any family member own a four-wheeler at your home? Select the option yes or no. Is your family member having more than 10 acres wet or 15 acres of dry land or overall 25 acres wet or dry land? Then select the option yes or no. Is your family member having a property in urban areas with extent of 1500 or more than square feet areas? Next need to provide the details about the scholarship, that is type of the scholarship, whether the college attached with a hostel. If the department attached with a government hostel, then provide the detail of the same. Along with that, admission date in the hospital you need to provide. Then caste certificate details you need to provide, that is caste certificate number and the caste. Is the student parent is working for sanitary worker in a gram panchayat or municipality? Select the option yes or no. If yes, then please mention the name of the parent working for the sanitary worker, name of the gram panchayat or the municipality where the parent is working for the sanitary work. Then you need to provide the details about the ration card or the income certificate, that is ration card number, income certificate, total income. Then the most important you need to provide is about the bank detail, where you need to enter the bank account number, IFSC code along with the bank and the branch. Then you need to provide the detail about local nativity as per the 371D. Select the option yes or no. Once you fill with all the details, make sure that student and the parent both have to do the signature on the application form, and they have to attach all the necessary documents, and they have to hand over it to the principal of the college. After submitting it, the college principal will verify all the details filled in the form along with the attachments. Then he'll upload the same application online on a Jnanabhoomi at the time of admission. Upon the successful completion, the students will receive a confirmation message on his mobile number. After that, student needs to visit Me Seva Center, and he needs to provide his Jnanabhoomi application ID along with the Aadhaar number to get an access for his online application. And there he need to give the confirmation of all the details what he has given. If required, modification has to be done. After that, he need to give the confirmation for the application by giving the biometric thumb impression. If you need more alerts on scholarships and internship, then you need to upgrade it to Plus. Not only alerts, even you will get an advice or the guidance from our expert. Even you will get scholarship statistics like how many have applied for this scholarship and what are the chances you have for winning the particular scholarship. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade now for only $599, and the best part is you can access the platform or the service lifetime, that is till you complete your education. To be eligible for Jagananna Vidya Devena scheme, applicant must be the permanent resident of Andhra Pradesh. Applicant must have secured minimum of 50% in previous academic year. Applicant must belong to a BPL family. Applicant must have enrolled in the first year of UG or PG program in any government aided college. The scheme covers a wide range of courses including BTech, B Pharmacy, B.Ed, ITI, Polytechnic, MTech, M Pharmacy, MBA and other UG and PG programs. Government job employees or the individual receiving the pension within the family or sanitary workers are ineligible for this scholarship. Beneficiary should not possess a 10 acres of wet land, 15 acres of dry land or altogether 25 acres of dry or wet agricultural land. 35,000 with scholarship is sponsored by government to engineering, medical, undergraduate, postgraduate, agricultural, diploma and students of class 12. To know more details about this scholarship, watch the video on the right side.